Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite using Remote Play. First, make sure your console, either PlayStation or Xbox, is on or in rest mode. Then, download the official Remote Play app for your console onto your chosen device. Next, connect your preferred controller, like a DualSense or Xbox wireless controller, to your device using Bluetooth. Finally, log into your console account within the app to link everything up. Once the app is installed and your controller is paired, open the Remote Play application. It will automatically search for and display your console on the network. Select your console to initiate the connection. You might need to confirm the connection on your console itself for security. After a few moments, your console's full screen will appear directly on your Remote Play device, ready for action. With your console's screen mirrored, use your connected controller to navigate the dashboard. Find the Fortnite game icon, which is usually prominent on your home screen or within your game library. Select it to launch Fortnite just as you would if you were sitting in front of your TV. The game will then load and connect to its servers, preparing you for Battle Royale fun. To ensure the best experience, use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally a 5 GHz network, for your Remote Play device. For your console, an Ethernet cable connection to your router is highly recommended for maximum stability. Close any other apps on your remote device that might be using a lot of bandwidth. You can also adjust video quality settings within the Remote Play app to find a balance between visual fidelity and smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.